Good day. Today we are here to unveil the newest member to Bullzen's HDCC family. In collaborations with DC Comics, this here is the new high-density carbon composite Generation 3 rod. This is the Cape Crusader. Over the years, we have put our HDCC rods through multiple punishments. We have even ran across one with a car, and we've even towed the car with it. But we're not stopping there. Today, we got something bigger planned for this rod. Now, to ensure such a feat is even possible, this right here is a special combination. 4 strands of Bullzen's Ice Braid 12, along with the newest Batman reel. Now, let's go outside and test out this rod. This is the Avanti Evo 2. It weighs in at about 5.7 tons. Now this is Bullzen's Cape Crusader. This setup is only 700 grams. We are gonna pull this plane with this rod. Now let's begin the test. Well, as you can see, all the guides are perfectly intact and aligned. The reel's working perfectly. No damages done to the rod. This is the HDCC3, powered by Brutal Monster technology. In collaboration with DC Comics, this is the Batman Cape Crusader rod by Bullzen. Now, I think we need a bigger fish to catch.